Snapchat can be a fun and engaging platform, but like any other app, you may encounter issues or have questions that require assistance from their support team. Whether you're locked out of your account, facing technical glitches, or just need answers to your inquiries, simply follow my steps. We'll open the Snapchat application on our device and then we'll go over to our Snapchat settings. So tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left, and that's going to get us to our profile. From here, tap on the little gear icon in the top right corner of the screen in order to go over to your settings. When you get to the settings, scroll all the way down to the support section, and then you want to click on I need help. That's going to open this menu where we can select or search for a specific problem that we are facing with the app, our account, or other things. I'll search for something, and let's say I select this my account is compromised option. That's going to open the article where they'll explain to you how you can resolve the issue, but if none of these work for you, you can select no and a contact form will pop up. This way, you can write down and explain your problem in the text bar, fill in the form and submit it. This way we will contact the support team and we simply have to wait a couple of days until they get back to us and respond to our problem via email. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.